Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close the car hood of a Mazda Demio. Open the car, the driver's side. At the pedals you can see a lever on the left side. Pull this lever. Then close the door, head up to the front side of your vehicle, and then under the brand sign on the car hood's front, you have a lever. This lever you can tilt a little bit, and if you are tilting this lever, you can lift up the car hood. Good job, as you can see. Now you have to support the car hood. And the left side, there it is. This stick is for supporting the car hood. Yeah, here we are. Now we are ready to work inside or under your car hood and inside the car engine area. If your job is done, you have to remove this stick first and then let the car hood drop about 20 centimeters above, and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.